What is pi? Pi is nothing but 3.14, or we consider it as 22 by 7, depend on the problem. If it is convenient to take 22 by 7, take 22 by 7. If there is value of radius which contains 0 in unit place, say suppose R is 10 and R is 7. Here, in this case, take R is 7, so this 7 can cancel R square 7. If R is 10, then if the radius contains the unit place digit as a 0, its square will become 100, and 3.4 into 100, you will get some answer in the complete digit, that is in integer. Now, area of circle. Second, what is the area of semicircle? Previously, we have lectured, you remember, area of semicircle is half pi r square. What is the third formula? Perimeter of semicircle. Let me see what is going there. Perimeter of semicircle.
Then, sir, it is visible.
Okay. Perimeter of semicircle, all of you know that it is what? Half 2 pi r plus 2r. Up 2 pi r matlab what? Pi r plus 2r. This is the value of perimeter. What is the perimeter of circle? It is called a circumference. Circumference. And its formula is what? 2 pi r. Circumference is denoted by small c. Area is denoted by a. Now it was about the only circle. Now which are the things related with circle? That is the first thing is the sphere. Three-dimensional diagram sphere. This is related with the circle. 3D sphere, like a volleyball. Sphere. So what is its surface area? Surface area. If you find the surface area of sphere, it will have the formula. What is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Very important thing. Surface area of sphere as a formula. 4 times pi r square. Now, what is the hemisphere? This is a sphere. What about the hemisphere? Half part of the sphere is called. Now, surface area. Sphere has only one surface. That is the total surface. It is one surface. Sphere has only one surface. Now, consider this is the sphere. 3D first. Second, hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Hemisphere, that is half part of sphere. Imagine half part of sphere. Half part of the sphere is called the hemisphere. This is the half part of sphere. Okay. This is hemisphere. Now, it has two surfaces. What is it? It is the curved surface. And this is the flat surface. See, flat. And this is the curve. Flat, that is the base surface of hemisphere. Now, the flat surface is a circle. Flat surface is a circle. And its area will be pi r square. And curved surface is a half part of the sphere. What is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. If it is cutted, if there is a bisection, if it is cut in between this along the diameter, yes, by a plane, then there will be two hemisphere, upper sphere and lower sphere. If these two are joined, you will get the sphere. Now, the uppermost portion, this is the curved surface area. This is called curved surface area. And curved surface area, this is called curved surface area. And this surface area is half part of this area of sphere, and that is 2 pi r square. So how many faces a hemisphere has? Hemisphere has two faces. One is curved and the base face is flat surface. Now, when the question is arise, what is a curved surface area? The formula is 2 pi r square. What is the base area of hemisphere? That is a pi r square. What is the surface area of sphere? Not hemisphere, sphere, 4 pi r square. And the question is total surface area of hemisphere. Try to understand hemisphere. It will be automatically what? Curved surface area plus base surface area. 2 pi r square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 2 plus 1, that is 3 pi r square. Keep in mind, base area 1 pi r square, curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square, total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square, and surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. These are the things related with the surface area of circular quantity. Yes, circle is related with all these things. Circle, semicircle, sphere, hemisphere. It has total surface area and it has curved surface area. It has only one surface area. Take the screenshot within 10 seconds. Okay. Let us forward towards the next formula. It was about the sphere and circle, total surface area. Now, let us see what is the another three-dimensional and two-dimensional diagram. Now, I have the comparison of 2D and 3D simultaneously. Now, see here, for me, I have two-dimensional diagram, that is a square. Square. And let the side of the square say x. This side is say x. This side is say x. This side is say x. This is the two-dimensional diagram. What is its area? Do you know what is area of square? That is a side square. So area of square will be what? Area of square will be side square. Side square, you will have side say L. L. I have considered x, you can consider L. L square. Area of square. L square. Now what is the perimeter of square? It has a perimeter. Perimeter of square. What is perimeter of 4 into side? That is 4L. Keep in mind 4 into L. Perimeter. What is there in the square? Each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. And if you consider diagonal of square here, this is a square and this is a diagonal D. Now this side is L, this side is L. Now do you know Pythagoras? D square will be N square plus L square. That is what? D square will be N square plus L square. So D square will be 2L square. And how will you find D diagonally? Root 2 times of side. This is the formula of diagonal. Diagonal is always root 2 times of side, or we can say side is equals to diagonal upon root 2. Keep in mind these things. This is one. Another diagonal is also same. Now there are so many properties of square. What are the properties? Each angle is 90 degrees, each side is same. This is the definition. What are the properties? Diagonals of square are equal and perpendicular bisector. They are equal. Diagonal of square are equal, diagonal of rectangle are equal, but they are not perpendicular, but they are bisector. They are perpendicular, bisector, and equal. We are not using these things. We are considering only surface area and volumes. Now, 2D surface area. First surface area, then we will go towards the volume after that. Now, what is the application of square in 3D? See here, you know the cube. Each face of cube is a square. That why I have considered square first. Each face of cube is a square. What is it? See here. If I have the cube whose all sides are equal, cube, all sides are equal. This is called the cube. Okay. This is the cube. Each side is say L, L, L. Every side is L. How many sides it has? How many edges it has? Do you remember? Do you know? How many edges it has? Edges, matlab sides. How many edges it has? How many vertices it has? And how many faces it has? Faces. How many faces it has? It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back 6. 6 faces. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. How many edges it has? 4. 4 and 4. Edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Edges. So what are these? How many these are? 12. And do you know the Euler's formula? See the 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 12 edges. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 vertices. How many faces? 1, 2. Base and upper face. Two laterals, back and beard. Up, above. Yes. Front and back. Two lateral these. Total 4. Plus 2. 6. See here. 8 plus 6 is 14. That is 12 plus 2. Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula? Euler's formula. If you know, if you remember, what is F plus B is equals to E plus 2. See here. 6 plus 8, 14 is 12 plus 2. Euler's formula. Forget about it. It is not my job today. How many faces it has? 6 faces. What is its total surface area? Total surface area. Total surface area. That is what 6L square, because every space is a square. What is the area of square? L square. This is L square, this is L square, the L square, L square, L square, L square. 6L square is there, 6 faces, 6L square. Now the question is about what are the lateral? Lateral means these are lateral, lateral, lateral. These two and these two. That is 4 surfaces are lateral. Lateral surfaces. 1, 2, back and the front. Not this upper and base. So what is the lateral surface area? It is called the lateral surface. Lateral surface area. What is it? 4L square. Now again there is some question about the diagonals of square. Diagonal. Diagonal of square. This is a diagonal from this vertex to this vertex. Keep in mind this corner. Not this corner. If we join these two corners, then it will be the diagonal of one face. No, diagonal of two opposite vertices. These are the two. ये इधर का और यहाँ का. तो इसका जो लेंथ है वो जो d है, सीयर ये जो d है, ये जो है d स्क्वायर होता है l स्क्वायर प्लस l स्क्वायर प्लस l स्क्वायर 3l स्क्वायर. दैट इज d होता है √3 टाइम्स l. Take the screenshot of all these things. Now the next part. It was the surface area. Now surface area of what? Cube. Now we will go in terms of the cuboid, surface area of cuboid. For cuboid, you must know the rectangle and square. Both are these important things. But generally rectangle. What is the two-dimensional rectangle? Rectangle. What is a rectangle? This is a rectangle. All of you know what is rectangle and properties of rectangle. We will see something. Length and breadth. What is perimeter of rectangle? 2 times L plus B. What is its area? L into B. Very simple. What about diagonal? See, this is a diagonal. D square will be what? L square plus B square. So D will be root of L square plus B square. We don't know L and B. But if you are given L and B, then you can find D root of L square plus B square. It has only one diagonal. Now, you know the perimeter. Everything is known in front of you. If you consider the two diagonals of rectangle, they are bisect each other, not perpendicular. And diagonals are equal. This is D and another is also D. Both are having same length. And they are bisecting each other. They are bisecting each other. but the angle is not 90 degree. In square it is 90 degree, in rhombus it is 90 degree. They are equal. In square they are equal, but angle is 90 degree. They are bisecting. Okay, forget about this. Now what is cuboid? Cuboid, three-dimensional cuboid. Each face of cuboid is a rectangle. Hello. Each face of cuboid is a rectangle. Keep in mind. Each face of cuboid is what? A rectangle. See, what is this? How we draw the cuboid? Each face of rectangle is cuboid. Very simple thing is to draw the cuboid and cube. Okay. Now see here, this is the rectangle. It has length and breadth. Not equal. L and B are not equal. If L and B are equal, then it becomes the square. Now, if I draw this type of, okay, oh, here this is a rectangle. How to draw the cuboid? Same portion, same length. Okay, join these corners. You will have the cuboid L, B, and this will be height. L, B, L, B, and this is the height. Now, it has 6 faces, but each face has different area. This face is having area L into B. The upper face is also having the area L into B. Front face and back face have the same area. Then the two lateral faces have the same area. If there are three pairs of faces. Bottom, top, two lateral, back and front. Yes? Hello? Is there any question? Hello?
No, sir. No.
Whether you have any question? Hello?
No, sir.
No, okay. It has 6 faces, but these 6 faces have 3 pairs. One pair, bottom, top, L into B. How many L into B? 2 L into B. Now, this here, this is the lateral face. Lateral. In Marathi, lateral. This is the lateral face. Lateral. These are the two lateral faces. Back and front. Top and bottom. There are 6 faces. Top, bottom, 2. These are 2 lateral. Back and front. These are 2. B into H. B into H. How many 2 into B? 2 into B into H. 2B plus back. This one L and this one L. Front H and L. H, H and L. 2 and L.
हा बोल
So
बेटा.
this is called total.
हॅलो. अरे लवकर जॉईन करायचं 5 मिनिट कमी असताना. हं? 9ला 5 मिनिट कमी असताना जॉईन करायचं. झालं ना आता जॉईन? ठीक आहे.
Okay. Total surface area got 2 times of L into B into H plus L into L. This is called the total surface area. Now it has 4 lateral surfaces. We will discard these two. See, this is the lateral surface area. Discard, remove. Lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? Two LBs removed. 2 into plus 2 into LH. 2H. 2H. 2H into B plus L. 2H into B plus L. 2H into B plus L. Twice B plus L into H. Twice B plus L into L. That is 2 times of L plus B into H. L plus B into H. Which can be written as what is 2 into L plus B? Perimeter of base. Perimeter of base into height. Right up. Or take the screenshot of this. Here again, let me explain the lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? This is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. We will remove this base area and the top area. What is it? 2BH and 2LH. 2LH plus 2BH. Take 2 common. LH plus BH. Take H common. 2 times LE plus B into H. That is 2L L plus B perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height is the lateral surface area Q. Perimeter of base into height. This is cuboid. Again, the question about the diagonal of cuboid. See here the diagonal. Let me show the diagonal. पहले देख लो diagonal. See here. This vertex and this vertex. These two are joined. This is the diagonal. And the diagonal will be what? I have written here. Diagonal D square is L square plus B square plus H square. So D will be root of L square plus B square plus H square. D will be root of L square plus B square plus H square. D will be root of L square plus B square plus H square. Surface area of sphere, surface area of cube, surface area of cuboid. Now, let us move towards surface area of cylinder, right circular cylinder. Take the screenshot if possible for you. If you are attending it on mobile. Okay. Now, let us have a look about the right circular cylinder. Now, how the right circular cylinder is formed? How we form it? Very simple thing is that. Right circular cylinder. Now see here. This is rectangle. It has length and it has breadth. Here this is rectangle. Rectangle. This is the length. Okay. And this is the breadth. B and L. See here, I will form a right circular cylinder of this. See here, when we fold it like this, okay, this was your rectangle. L, L, B. When I fold it here, I fold it, I have formed a cylinder here. It has upper face and lower face. See here, upper face and lower face. These are circular. This is a cylinder. A cylinder is formed. Okay, the cylinder is formed. So I have a question in mind. The length is converted into perimeter of base, and breadth is converted into the height of the cylinder. Perimeter of base is length because it is folded here. This was this, and it is in this. We turn it. So the length is converted into circumference. Length is converted into what? Circumference of base. Also circumference of top. Circumference. And what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. If we consider it will have radius, say r. Now base is converted into what? H. So what is the area of this rectangle? L into B. And now, see here, this is the area of, this portion is area. Now, this area is area of cylinder, and this area becomes the curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ऐसा बोल के पूरा area. Curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder will be what? Base area into height. That is 2 pi r. In our language, L into B actually. It is L into B, but L is what? 2 pi r and B is what H? So 2 pi r into H. That is circumference of base into height. Circumference of base into height. Actually, it is L into B because L is from 2 pi r and B is from H. So this is called curved surface area. Now, above surface is the pi r square and the below surface is pi r square. The total surface area is what? I have considered only the surface area formula and how these are obtained. Total surface area will be what? Base surface area, pi r square, 2 pi r square, plus 2 pi r h. Take 2 pi r common, r plus h. This is the total surface area of cylinder. Now we are considering only the total surface area. This is not the part of volume. How we obtain volume? No. Curved surface area 2 pi r h and total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h. Now the next is the cone, right circular cone. Next is the right circular cone. What is this right circular cone? Yes, this is the circular base. So what is its area? Pi r square. And cone is this three-dimensional diagram. It is not two-dimensional diagram. It is a three-dimensional diagram. This is called the height. It is the radius, perpendicular height, and this is called slant. It has two faces. What are these two faces? One is curved surface area. One is curved, and another is base. So what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area. The formula is pi r into L. What is L? L is the slant height. What is the relation between them? L becomes the hypotenuse of right angle triangle having these two sides h and r. So L square will be r square plus h square. So pi r. Total surface area. total surface area will be what? Base area pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r l. Pi r into bracket r plus l. This is called the total surface area. Okay. These are all surface areas. These are all surfaces. Now, what about the problems? Let us start with the sphere. We start today for the sphere. In the next lecture, remaining spheres, surface areas will be completed and volume will be discussed. How volume is obtained? What are the formula of volume? Now I have some problem in front of me. Let me have problem from my collection. That is your CBSE syllabus book and also some not from this. Now see here, if you have the sphere, what is the surface area of sphere? Formula क्या है? 4 pi r. And in question arises, find the surface area of sphere. With diameter first 28 centimeter, 14 centimeter, third 20 centimeter, fourth 60 centimeter. Here I have taken these two to find the surface area of sphere. What is formula for surface area? इसका है sphere का. I have written sphere. Diameter formula क्या है? 4 pi r square. 4 into what is value of y? 22/7. What is r in the first problem? R का वैल्यू कितना होगा? कोई बताएगा?
14.
14, yes. Diameter is 28, so R will be what? 14. 14 square. 14 into 14, I have written directly. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. You will calculate 4 into 22, that is 88. 88 into 14 twos are 28. Calculate, it will be the centimeter square. Calculation is your part. Second, I will not take the second problem. Third problem for me. What is radius? 20/2. What is it? 10 centimeter. What is the surface area? 4 pi r square. What is 4? What will pi? You will continue. Consider pi as a 3.4 because r contains the unit digit 10 basic rule. So 10 square will be what? 100. Better. 4 into 3, 14. What is it? 1256 square centimeter. Yes, complete integer value. You can use 22/7 also, but it will not give you the perfect answer. So these are the two problems. Try to this as your own. Again, I will change the problem. In place of sphere, I have written hemisphere. Find total surface area of hemisphere. Same problem. So what I have to change? I have to change only the formula. What is the total surface? Total surface area of hemisphere. What is formula? Change in formula only. 4 के जगह 3 रहेगा, 4 के जगह 3 रहेगा, 66 into 8. 4 के जगह 3 रहेगा. 3 pi r square is the total surface area of hemisphere. Same content. 3 into 3 point, that is 14 3 are 42, 942 square centimeter. Now, next, some problems on hemisphere. These are from your textbook. Here, radius of balloons increases from 7 centimeter to say 10 centimeter or 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. When air is poured in, एक बलून है, ये उसका पहला 7 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस है. जब इसमें हवा भरी जाती है तो इसका रेडियस 14 सेंटीमीटर होता है. तब पहले केस में जो सरफेस एरिया है और दूसरे केस में जो सरफेस एरिया है, ये स्मॉल सरफेस एरिया, ये कैपिटल. पहले का दूसरे के साथ रेशो निकालना है. गेस करो. रेशो निकालना है. स्मॉल एस अपॉन कैपिटल एस. स्मॉल एस अपॉन कैपिटल. स्मॉल एस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? व्हाट इज सरफेस एरिया? 4 पाई स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. What is it? 4 pi capital R square. 4 cancel. Pi cancel. R square upon R square. What is R? 7 square. What is R? 14 square. Can you calculate? कोई मुझे इसका कैलकुलेशन बताएगा? Very simple. See here. I will write it as a 7 upon 14 and bracket square. That is 1 by 2 bracket square. That is 1 by 4. Keep in mind, 4 pi small r square upon 4 pi capital R square will be small r square upon capital R square, small r upon capital R bracket square. It is always the square of the ratio of their radii. Square of the ratio of their radii. Volume के लिए cube of the ratio of their radii. Volume के लिए same thing. ये याद रखो, बाकी कुछ जरूरत नहीं. 1 by 14, 1 by 2 का square, 1 by 4 is the ratio, या 4 is to 1. अगर बड़े से छोटा है तो 4 is to 1, छोटे से बड़ा है तो 1 is to 4. If you consider hemisphere also, you will get the same ratio. Surface areas के बीच में Keep in mind that r square upon r, capital R bracket, that is r upon capital R bracket square. I have the question, different question. Take the screenshot of this. You are given a problem. Simple problem I am taking in the first session, first substation. Suppose you are given surface area of sphere. What is it? Say 154 centimeter square, a square centimeter. So what will be the radius? How will you find it? Very simple. What you are given? So you will write 4 pi r square, 154. You will write r square in. No, 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is 154. So you will write r square equals to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. What is it? 22 ones are 22 sevens are. Keep in mind, you must know the sum table. 7 into 7, 14 upon 4. So what is r? R is 7 by 2. Square root of 7 into 7 and 4, 2. So radius will be 3.5 centimeters. Now the next about the surfaces of cone. Basic problem today. Tomorrow we will take the complicated problem of surface area, combining two solids. Now I have the question. Cone. Basic problems today. First two lectures, basic problems of all surface area. Again one lecture. And in the next third lecture, we will take all complicated problems. In exam, not all complicated problems are. There are very simple problems. I have one problem in front of me. For the cone, you have the cone. You know the cone? This is called the cone. Slant height is given. What is the slant height? Slant height is given, and suppose base radius is given. Slant height is 21 centimeter. And base radius is equal to say it is 12 meter and this is meter. Then find the curve surface. Also the total surface. Total surface area. This is slant height. This is R. What is R? 12. You have to find H. If it required, find H. I think it is not required. What is the curve surface area? Curve surface area is what? Pi RL. Now see here, this R contains 12 and L contains what? 21 is the 21 as factor 7, 22 by 7 into R is what? 12 into L, 21. 22 by 7, 12 into 21. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. 22 into 36. Find it. Square centimeter. What is total surface area? Pi R L plus pi R square. What is pi R L? This is 22 into 36. 22 by 7 into 12 square. Calculation. You will have some problem in calculating it. बस आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगा कैलकुलेशन का, बाकी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. ये 22 by 7 into 144 को 7 डिवाइड करके 22 मल्टीप्लाई करके पॉइंट में आंसर आएगा 22 into 36 में ऐड करो. कैलकुलेशन अभी ज्यादा ध्यान मत, अभी सिर्फ इसके ऊपर ध्यान दो, कंसेप्ट कैसे यूज करना है. डोंट थिंक अबाउट द कैलकुलेशन. Think how to use the concepts. Though you know the calculation, if you don't know the concept, how to apply it, then no use of calculation. But calculations are important. Without calculation, you can't get your answer. आपको आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. Have the next problem of cone. एक conical tent है. Conical tent. I think it will become the last problem today. I don't know the time. एक conical tent. Conical tent. उसका जो बेस रेडियस वो आपको दिया है. जो मेरे सामने जो प्रॉब्लम है उसमें बेस रेडियस ऑफ द कोनिकल टेंट इज गिवन 24 एंड उसका जो हाइट 10 मीटर एंड हाइट मतलब परपेंडिकुलर हाइट 10 मीटर. आपको उसका एक तो स्लैंट हाइट निकालना है पहले. देखिए क्वेश्चन तो मैं बाद में पूछूंगा, तो स्लैंट हाइट निकालना है. पहले तो स्लैंट हाइट निकालना है. एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवास. कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवास ये उसको, ये जो टेंट है उसका जो बनाने का जो कैनवास जो लगा था उसका कॉस्ट 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए हमें रुपीज, टेक्स्ट बुक का प्रॉब्लम है, ₹70. तो आपको टोटल कॉस्ट निकालना. व्हाट इज स्लैंट है? एल स्क्वायर विल बी व्हाट? आर स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज आर? 24. व्हाट इज एच? 10 स्क्वायर. व्हाट विल बी? 576 plus 100 676. Can you find a angle? 676. स्लैंट हाइट निकालो आप लोग अगर कर सकते हो। सिक्स सेवेंटी सिक्स किसका स्क्वायर है? सिक्स सेवेंटी सिक्स देखिए, 676। यस, बराबर है 26 का। एल का वैल्यू कितना है? 26 मीटर। वेरी गुड। ये स्लैंट हाइट, कैनवास मतलब ये स्लैंट हाइट से रिलेटेड है। पाई आर एल एरिया, कौन सा एरिया? कर सरफेस एरिया हमें निकालना है। कर सरफेस एरिया कैनवास से रिलेटेड। वेरी गुड। कितना है? पाई आर एल। पाई कितना है अपना? 22/7। आर का वैल्यू कितना है? 24। और एल कितना है? 26। ये है आपका एरिया। अब उसका रेट क्या है? 1 मीटर के लिए 70 है, तो टोटल कॉस्ट कितना होगा? ये मीटर स्क्वायर है, ये 1 मीटर, 1 टू मेनी मल्टीप्लीकेशन। 22/7 इंटू 24 इंटू 26 इंटू 7 कर लो मल्टीप्लीकेशन। समझ लो कैसे किया मैंने। इतने मीटर स्क्वायर है ना, 1 मीटर के लिए 70, तो इतने मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए कितना? सेवन टेन जर 70, ये 10 हो जाएगा। अब मल्टीप्लीकेशन इजी हुआ। 22 इंटू 24 इंटू 26 इंटू 10, आपको ये रुपीज में लिखना है। हो गया। हमने बोला कैलकुलेशन पे ध्यान मत दो, कंसेप्ट के ऊपर ध्यान दो। कंसेप्ट देख लो। हेलो, हेलो।
हेलो।
कोई प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं, वेल डन सर, गोइंग ऑन।
गोइंग ऑन।
नो
अभी
प्रॉब्लम।
अभी मुझे लगता है अभी बहुत कंटेंट हुआ।
ओके।
हाँ हाँ। तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कब होगा? अब कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
आई
प्रॉब्लम होगा। हाँ,
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर अपकमिंग थर्सडे सर।
थर्सडे का। ठीक है ठीक
हाँ।
है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ओके ओके, चलेगा चलेगा। ठीक है। अब बंद करूँ क्या अभी? हेलो।
हेलो सर।
बंद करने का क्या अभी?
ठीक है, चलेगा सर।
ओके ओके, थक गया मैं बात करके बहुत, वो उसमें बहुत एक्सप्लेनेशन ज्यादा था ना।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
ठीक, थैंक
स्टुडंट्स, काय तुम्हाला अडचणी असेल तर विचारत चला. हॅलो बेटा. संस्कृती, विघ्नेश, इशिता, शिवेंद्र. तुम्हाला काय अडचण असेल तर विचारत चला टीचर्सला. संस्कृती कसं वाटतं बेटा लेक्चर तुला?
सर छान आहे.
का थोडस जास्त हार्ड लेवल वाटती?
नाही.
एवढी तर लेवल आवश्यक आहे ना बेटा?
हो.
ठीक आहे, चालेल चालेल, ओके. विघ्नेश तुला?
सर चांगलं वाटलं लेक्चर.
ओके, काही थोडस जास्त इंग्लिश होतंय, अवघड वाटतंय, हायफाय वाटतंय, असं काही नाही ना बेटा? हॅलो विघ्नेश. हॅलो बेटा विघ्नेश, बोल ना. चालेल, खूप चांगले सर आहेत, खूप अनुभवी सर आहेत, हे एक्सपिरियन्स्ड टीचर आहेत. अशा टीचर्सच्या टीचिंगनेच आपला रिझल्ट येत असतो. चालेल, ठीक आहे, चालेल. याचं रेकॉर्डिंग पण पाठवेल तुम्हाला मी नंतर, म्हणजे तुम्हाला अपडेट राहता येईल. चालेल, ठीक आहे, थँक्यू.